warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See in this English lesson again for the 10th grade, and the material is recount, especially about biography or historical recount. Well, setelah ini Anda akan mendengarkan pronunciation dari pembacaan teks The Battle of Surabaya, yang akan dibawakan oleh native speaker atau pembaca aslinya, dan setelah itu akan dibahas tentang kosakata yang penting-penting. Oke, kita mulai saja.
The Battle of Surabaya. On 10 November, Indonesia celebrates Hari Pahlawan or Heroes Day in remembrance of the Battle of Surabaya, which started on that very date in the year 1945. The bloody battle took place because Indonesians refused to surrender their weaponry to British Army. British Army at that time was part of the Allied forces. The Divine Bung Tomo is the well-known revolutionary leader who played a very important role in this battle.
Okay, that's all. The first paragraph. And then now look at what is in paragraph 1. The vocabulary. Okay, you can look at on the book too. Bisa dilihat dibuka di buku juga. Pertama ada remembrance, artinya memperingati. Surrender, menyerah. Weaponry, persenjataan. Defiant, itu artinya sang penantang atau pemberontak. Kemudian karena Anda nanti setelah ini tugasnya adalah membaca dengan pronunciation yang betul, maka perhatikan kata-kata yang sering diucapkan salah. Di paragraf 1 itu ada kata date, tanggal itu pengucapannya harusnya date, bukan date. Sebagian dari Anda sudah menganalisa itu membacanya date, bukan, tapi date. Kemudian because, diucapkan because, bukan because. Jadi ulangi lagi, because, bukan because. Kemudian forces, diucapkan forces, bukan focus. Ada dari Anda yang mengucapkan focus. Okay, that one is on paragraph 1. And now look at the next paragraph 2.
It all started because of a misunderstanding between British troops in Jakarta and those in Surabaya under the command of Brigadier A.W. W.S. Malaby. Brigadier Malaby already had an agreement with Governor of East Java, Mr. Surya. The agreement stated that British would not ask Indonesian troops and militia to surrender their weapons.
Oke, itu untuk paragraf 2. Now look at what is in paragraph 2. Kita lihat di paragraf 2 ada apa ya. Oke, di paragraf 2 tidak ada kosakata yang di-highlight oleh buku, Tapi di sini saya akan membetulkan ucapan yang sering kalian salah. Ada started, Ada sebagian Anda membacanya start atau started. Yang betul started, Ini started, Okay. Sorry, this one. And then troops, Troops, bukan troops. And then already, bukan already. Kemudian ada stated, kemudian selanjutnya ada Malaysia. Tuh, okay, that one. Okay, now look at the next paragraph.
A British plan from Jakarta dropped leaflets all over Surabaya. The leaflet told Indonesians to do otherwise on 27 October 1945. This action angered the Indonesian troops and militia leaders because they felt betrayed.
Okay, what is in paragraph 3? Ada apa di paragraph 3? Di paragraf 3 itu ada drop, ya, artinya menyebar atau menjatuhkan. Kemudian ada leaflet, selebaran. Kemudian ada angered, ya, angered itu artinya membuat marah. Kenapa? Karena kata anger itu yang kalian biasa dengar, angry bird, kan burung yang marah ya. Nah di sini artinya membuat marah, ya, dijadikan kata kerja. Kemudian the last one is betrayed, ya, betrayed, betrayal itu kata bendanya, artinya dihianati. Okay, that one on paragraph 3. Okay, now look at the next paragraph. Paragraph
On
4.
30 October 1945, Brigadier Melby was killed as he was approaching the British troops post near Jembatan Merah or Red Bridge, Surabaya. There were many reports about the death, but it was widely believed that the brigadier was murdered by Indonesian militia. Looking at the situation, Lieutenant General Sir Philip Christensen brought in reinforcements. On 30 October 1945, Lieutenant General Sir Philip Christensen brought in reinforcements to siege the city.
Okay. Okay, next, what is in paragraph 4? Yeah. Here the paragraph 4 is about reinforcement. Nah, bala pasukan ya, di sini ada tipenya, bukan balance pasukan tapi bala pasukan. Kemudian siege itu artinya mengepung. Kemudian untuk kata-kata yang sering dibaca salah oleh kalian itu killed, ya, diucapkan killed, bukan killed, maksudnya di sini kayak tipe lagi, harusnya killed, ya. Kemudian ada looking at, bukan looking at, dibaca disambung ya, disambung bacanya, looking at. Okay, that was the fourth paragraph, and then next is the fifth paragraph.
In the early morning of 10 November 1945, British troops began to advance into Surabaya with cover from both naval and air bombardment. Although the Indonesians defended the city heroically, the city was conquered within 3 days, and the whole battle lasted for 3 weeks. In total, between 6,000 and 16,000 Indonesians died, while casualties on the British side were about 600 to 2,000.
Okay. Now look at what is in paragraph 5. Di paragraf 5 ada apa ya? Kita lihat. Advance itu memasuki, cover melindungi, heroically dengan gagah berani. Kemudian kata-kata yang sering Anda ucapkan salah adalah ada walaupun di sini, ya, bukan although, ya, tapi although g-nya tidak dibaca. Kemudian ada hari, days, bacanya days bukan dies, ya. 3 days, salah, harusnya 3 days, ya, jadi vokalnya A bukan I. Selanjutnya yang sering salah juga pengucapan angka 6 yang bahasa Inggrisnya 6 bukan sick, ya, karena nanti artinya berbeda. Okay, now look at the next paragraph.
Surabaya caused Indonesia to lose weaponry, which hampered the country's independence struggle. However, the battle provoked Indonesian and international mass to rally for the country's independence, which made this battle especially important for Indonesian national revolution.
Okay, that was the last paragraph atau paragraf 6. Jadi ada weaponry, artinya persenjataan, hampered, menghambat, struggle, perjuangan. Oke ya. So look at your book first ya. Jadi the highlight word, kata-kata yang disorot di sini adalah ada remembrance. Ya, Anda bisa lihat di buku halaman 123. Ya, remembrance, kekuatan militer, surrender, menyerahkan, weaponry, persenjataan, defiant, menentang, drop, memperlambat, ya, leaflet, selebaran, anger, membuat marah, be betrayed, dihianati, siege, mengepung, reinforcement, peringatan atau pasukan ya, casualties, korban, hampered itu harusnya ini menghambat nih ya. Militia, kelompok pejuang, advance, bergerak maju, rally, berkumpul untuk mendukung. Jadi di sini ada kesalahan, hampered ini menghambat atau memperlambat, drop ini menjatuhkan, terbalik nih ya. So that's all for the video for this text. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.